Hello everyone, I am Himanshu and I welcome you all to our YouTube channel Padwine Sahi Hai. Today in this video, I am going to talk about the most important topic for every Padwine member, that is the upcoming updates and most importantly the upcoming version 3.0. So in this video, I am going to discuss all in detail, so please watch this video till end without skipping any part because this video is going to be very important for everyone. And one of the most important things I am mentioning at first, because this is going to be the most important part for every Palwine member. Every Palwine member need to focus on this, as because Palwine has announced that its system is going on maintenance from 5th February to 25th February. So during this time, many of Palwine competitors will try to spread negativity to our new members. So it is our duty to make them positive and say correct information regarding maintenance, because for many members this maintenance is for the first time. And for the people who has not subscribed to our channel Palwine Sahi Hai, at first go and click the subscribe button and then click the bell icon, as because we are dedicated to bring the exclusive update of Palwine at first. And we also provide correct information regarding every MLM company running around the world, so that your money may not be invested to any fraud company, because your benefit is only our motto. So without doing any further delay, let's move on to the video now and let's talk about the most important thing, that is the Palwine version 3.0, and what are the most important features and updates that will come in Palwine version 3.0. But at first in this video we are going to discuss about the latest auto pull chart, and later on in this video we will discuss about the Palwine version 3.0. So let's move on to the auto pull chart first. So as you all can see on your screen, this is the latest updated auto pull chart, and in brief I am describing this to you all. So at first, talking about Pearl level, the person who has upgraded their ID to Pearl level on or before 9th November 2019, they have received the first round of auto pull, which value is about 0.4 DP. Talking about Coral, the person who has upgraded their ID to Coral on or before 20th October 2019, they have received the first round of auto pull, which value is about 8 DP. Talking about Onyx, there is no changes from the last auto pull chart. The person who has upgraded their ID to Onyx on or before 4th November 2019, they have received the first round of Onyx auto pull, which value is about 20 DP. Talking about Quartz, the Palwine member who has upgraded their ID on Quartz on or before 1st January 2020, they have received the first round of Quartz auto pull, which value is about 200 DP. And talking about the rest of the auto pull, you can pause this video and watch this patiently and verify that when your auto pull will come. And the most important part of this auto pull chart is that there are only few yellow blocks. That means there are only few changes if we compare this chart to last week charts. So without doing any further delay, let's move on to the Bonanza 2020 auto pull chart, after which we are going to talk about the Palwine version 3.0. So as you all can see on your screen, this is the latest and the most updated auto pull chart of Bonanza 2020, and this auto pull chart is according to the app time. So keep this thing in your mind. Talking about the first level of Bonanza 2020, that is the Agate label. The person who has upgraded their ID to Agate label on or before 15th February 2020, they have received the first round of Agate auto pull, which value is about 4 DP. Talking about Amazonite, the people who has upgraded their ID to Amazonite on or before 10th February 2020, they have received the first round of Amazonite auto pull, which value is about 12 DP. Talking about Umber, the people who has upgraded their ID to Umber on or before 9th February 2020, they have received the first round of Amber auto pull, which value is about 30 DP. Talking about Beryl, it's a bit faster than Umber. The people who has upgraded their ID to Beryl on or before 11th February 2020, they have received the first round of Beryl auto pull, which value is about 60 DP. Talking about the most important part of this auto pull chart, as you all can see on your screen that this auto pull chart contains much more yellow blocks. So this means more people are upgrading onto Bonanza 2020. And if till now you have not upgraded your ID to Bonanza 2020, then just go now and upgrade your ID to Bonanza 2020 now. And now talking about the most important part of this video, which is the upcoming Pearlvine version 3.0. So at first only I am saying in the Pearlvine version 3.0 you are going to see many new features and many new income opportunities in Pearlvine. Talking about some of the big leaks and information coming exclusively, I am sharing these things to you all that in this Pearlvine version 3.0 you all are going to see a much faster auto pull, which will further increase your joining speed. And talking about the most important part of this Pearlvine version 3.0, in this update you are going to see the royalty update, which is the most awaited features for every Pearlvine member. Many people who are working in different MLM companies today are waiting for Pearlvine royalty. If the royalty income comes in Pearlvine, they will join Pearlvine, leaving their current MLM company. And the most highlighted feature of Pearlvine version 3.0 will be the new e-commerce platform by Pearlvine for each of its members. And this e-commerce update is not going to be a small thing, as because e-commerce is itself a broad thing, and under e-commerce many things come like shopping portal, debit card and credit card, and the most awaited thing by each and every Pearlvine member is the Pearlvine own payment gateway. So this may also come in the Pearlvine upcoming version 3.0. And other than that, the e-commerce section also contains some of the important things like Pearlvine own email service, Pearlvine own social media platform. This is also going to be a very big thing for every single Pearlvine member and all the users living around the world. But according to leaks, my dear friend, this all thing will not come at once, because if it come at once, then there will be a huge load on Pearlvine system. So step by step, this all things will come in the upcoming Pearlvine version 3.0. So what's your suggestion regarding this? At first, what should come? Please comment down below in the comment section so that I may forward your requests. And what you think will be the most interesting part of the upcoming Pearlvine version? Comment down below, because your comments are only the most valuable part. And talking about the 3 super sawal, if any person who does not understand Hindi, having any confusion or doubt regarding anything, you can just comment down below in the comment section all your doubt and confusion. I will surely answer your question in the upcoming English version video of Pearlvine. So till that time, I have only one message for you all. We are a family, so we need to work together and bring up every single family member. So come together and say Jai Hind, Jai Pearlvine.